Seriously?
What? I just did.
You're seriously eating Oreo minis?
I just did.
Alright, wait, what are you eating, Reaper or Rush? Who? Alright,
What?
alright, Adapt, what are you eating? What are you eating, Adapt?
Oreo.
Yeah, Oreos, I mean Oreo minis. Oreo minis. Alright, Reaper, what are you eating? Are you eating anything, Reaper?
Wanna know what I'm eating?
What are you eating?
I'm eating French fries, like garlic French fries and salmon with ketchup and mayonnaise.
Alright, Rush. Rush, what are you eating?
Little Caesars.
Little Caesar?
Yeah.
Oh, hot and ready?
Are you gonna have a Caesar now?
No.
Reaper, what are you eating?
Gum. Pretty much it. I don't think you eat gum until you swallow it.
Yeah, this thing Oreo is so good. Alright, these Oreos are bomb right now.
I'm gonna tell you what I used to eat when I was like 4.
What?
I used to put Play-Doh on some chips.
That's so sorry.
I put Play-Doh on chips and ate it.
Was it good?
I don't know.
You don't know.
It just tastes like a chip.
Hey, Reaper, can I have a piece of gum?
Is these?
Yeah?
Since I can, shut up. Since we can, since we can shove our voices through the microphone, I think you might be able to shove a package of those Oreo minis for me. Ha!
Oh, yeah. Hey, Adapt, can you sing me a song?
I'll try and shove a piece of French fry.
Yeah, I can.
Aw, it didn't work. Sorry.
I'm trying to shove more than that. No.
Alright, now you guys, hey, who's done with their food? I am.
I'm not. I still have, like, a whole bunch of food left. Hey, seriously, Adapt, shut the hell up.
Alright, Adapt's gonna sing us a song. So everyone, Adapt, just sing. Sing a song about how sexy I am.
Okay. Hold on.
Sir, he's trying to sing. Yeah, that was a song that was like 30 seconds long.
Sing a song about me. Sing a song about me. Just something.
Alright, hold on. Alright. Who wanted it? Who wanted it? Shock?
Yeah.
Shock is a dose.
I didn't even. What? All right, I'm gonna sing a song about you, Shock. I'm just gonna use my real voice though.
Alright.
Baby. Oh, baby.
That reminds me.
Oh.
Hey, that reminds me. I had karaoke Friday. My teacher said pick any song you want. I picked the song "Baby" by Justin Bieber. I literally did, and I sung it. I was like, "Oh, baby, no, like baby."
All right, so say me if you guys are almost done with your food. Alright, say me if I'm feeling fat right now because I just ate some Oreos. Me. Well, you just had some Oreos.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Beautiful, simply orange.
I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.